Hey guys, welcome back to another Escape Wheel Watch Reviews. Got another unboxing today, so I unboxed this one earlier today. Go check out that review. This is unboxing number 2 of 3 today, so it's a busy day for me, but it's all fun, right? So, geez, what we got today? Today, very excited unboxing here. I'm going to try and not cut the inside box. We'll see how successful I am with it. Okay, so first off, I had a black and white elastic NATO strap in the box, so that's nice to see. This is some new packaging. I've never seen this packaging from Pagani Design. You can tell it's a little bit more special than normal. Wow. Yeah, that's interesting. You can see a little texture pattern on there with the gold foil inlay there. Yeah, really interesting. I did get a little bit of damage on the box here, but interesting packaging. Feels even nicer than their upgraded packaging, so that must be something they're doing specifically for this watch. I know this watch is limited edition. It's also their most expensive, and it's their first PT5000 watch. So if you've been paying attention at all to their marketing, you know what this is. This is the vintage Air King homage, and let's get right into it. So what you get in the package is your typical instructions and unsigned warranty card. You get a little screwdriver, polishing cloth, and then here is the watch. So yeah, interesting packaging. It's a little bit nicer than normal, but again, not something I really care about too much. Put that off to the side. And here's your first quick glance at it. And I mean, it looks pretty good. Yeah, it actually looks really good. We'll get this thing unwrapped and we'll get you some closer looks at it. Alright guys, so here we are. Back, all the plastic is unwrapped here. Give you a nice view of everything. Really close in on the dial there. Looks in that dial and the indices. They really look nice. They look really good. I do like actually that green second hand. I think that's pretty cool too. Nod to the original Air King. You can see the side profile there. It does have a little bit of turn down to the lugs, which is nice to see. Pretty sharp female end links, which pivot nicely. Let's check the transition from the brush to the polish. Yeah, looks pretty good. I don't see anything jumping off as being not very well done. You got a signed crown here. The crown works really good. You can see the end link fitment in the case. Nice and solid. Check both of these. Yeah, really good. You got a oyster bracelet here. We'll get the dimensions here in just a second, but you can see it's got a little bit of jangle to it, but not too bad. Definitely an improvement over their previous ones, but I am seeing some really bad dimensions here. What is going on here? You guys seeing that as well? Look at the width of this one compared to that one. Same with this one over here. That's really, I mean, that's bad. That's really bad. Interesting. Moving on to the clasp. You can see you've got a Pagani shield here. Milled inners, pressed outer. No quick adjust or anything. 3 micro adjust. Really small clasp, which I'm happy with. But yeah, the bracelet is that's really interesting. I don't know what's going on with that. This side doesn't look as bad. I mean, that first link there looks pretty bad to me, but the other ones don't look as bad. That's interesting. I have to see what the store says about that. Case back kind of your typical case back from Pagani design. Nothing special, nothing fancy, but not bad. Yeah, the crystal on it, let's see, that crystal looks really, really good actually. Nice high dome, flat top, no distortion. Right on the edges though, you got some distortion, which is nice. Really nice and clear. They do say it is got some air coating on it. I can see a little bit of blue tinge to it, but not like an overpowering blue tinge. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I think the watch head is really well done. I think that bracelet needs a little work though. Interesting. 140 during the sale, and I believe, like I said, I think this is limited to like 300 pieces. So yeah, I do think the watch head looks really cool. This is going to be really good on straps, I think. But I will pop this on wrist, go outside, get some outdoor shots for you guys, put them at the end of this video. And yeah, but let's do dimensions. So, all right, so we got 36.4 on the diameter, 12.3 thick. Got about 44 lug to lug, 20 millimeter lug width, and it does taper down to, I'm assuming that's 16 millimeters at the clasp. So pretty good dimensions, I think. I'm gonna turn out my lights here real quick and blast this with my torch. All right, so there's the loom shot, and as I kind of expected, it's pretty poor. On the hands, it is very poor. And the indices are actually pretty good, and you can see at 12 o'clock indices kind of like bisected a little bit. Pretty cool. Can get bright again. Well, yeah, there you go, guys. That's a nice quick look at the Pagani Air King. I think the dial, I think the hands, the loom is poor, but otherwise I think the watch head is done really nice. Pretty happy with the watch head overall, but the bracelet is I don't know what's going on with it, but there's something going on with this bracelet. So let me just see here. So 4.6 on one side, 4.0 on the other side, 4.2 on the next link, 3.6. I mean, that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. When I notice it pretty much immediately, that's not great. They need to fix that if they're going to continue selling this thing. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go outside, throw it on the wrist for you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. 140 during the sale, like 190 outside of the sale. Yeah, I do like the watch head though. So, what do you guys think? Let me know what you're thinking about it. All right. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.